English lecture. Today I'm going to teach you grammar and our topic is for the day pronoun. So students, आप सबने पढ़ा होगा पहले ही what is pronoun. Pronoun is a thing, instead of noun what we are using is a pronoun. ठीक है, तो लाइक नाउन इज नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग. कोई भी नेम होता है, प्लेस होता है, एनिमल, थिंग, एनिमल है या थिंग्स है, उसकी प्लेस पे जो हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोनाउंस. सपोज फॉर अ बॉय नेम इज राज इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल and instead of again the second sentence is Raj is playing very nice. So my word is Raj, or instead of Raj I am using Raj is playing football. He is put in playing. So instead of Raj I have used word he. So he is a pronoun. Let's see with example. This pronoun is of two types: singular pronoun and plural. Pronouns singular pronoun and plural pronoun. In singular pronoun, if we first see the sentence, Gigi likes to read. She reads every night. Means here Gigi is there. Gigi, what is the Gigi? Gigi is a name of a girl. Gigi is a name of a girl. Now यहाँ पे into the second sentence what they have said, she reads every night. उसे रोज हर रात को पढ़ना पसंद आता है. So यहाँ पे Gigi की जगह again they have used is the she. So here what she they have used is pronoun into the sentence. Okay. Now second sentence is, this is my pet cat. It is very playful. Now तो उनकी जो pet cat है तो यहाँ पे the word is noun is this. ठीक है, और उसकी जगह पे they have used is word it. So because it is not a boy, cat is not a boy, not comes in a boy and not comes in a girl. So for that we are using animals, we use this. So this is my pet cat. It is very playful. So instead of this we have used it. So this is a singular. When we are talking about a one person, we use in a singular pronoun. Singular pronoun, more words can be I, she, he, it. यहाँ पे ये words use होते हैं instead of noun, they are the singular pronoun. Now let's come to the plural pronoun. Plural pronoun are we like eating mangoes. मतलब कि हमें mangoes खाना पसंद है. So यहाँ पे directly they have used we word. We means a plural pronoun. They go by bus. Again the word they, क्योंकि plural means one than a more person. So एक से ज्यादा लोगों की बात की है, कितने हैं नंबर वी डोंट हैव. So they have used the word they. So they go by bus. वो लोग बस से जा रहे हैं, तो that is they is pronoun, plural pronoun. You can go for the picnic, Tarun and Tej. So here the word is you. You means आप लोग जा सकते हो. Tarun and Tej they can go for the picnic. So यहाँ पे they are used because it is a matter of more than one person. एक से ज्यादा की बात की है. जब एक से ज्यादा पर्सन की बात होती है तो plural pronoun में हम you word use करते हैं. So words which are used for the plural pronoun are we, they, you. You when we are using in the case when the more than one person. जब एक person से ज्यादा की बात होती है तो हम बात करते हैं, we are using you word. Now let's see the pronoun in detail. There are two types of pronoun, that is subject pronoun and object pronoun. First we are going to learn about this our subject pronoun. So what is subject pronoun? Subject pronouns comes before the verb or the linking verb. Means subject pronoun जो है वो sentence में verb के पहले आता है या verb से जो link word है उनके पहले आता है. For in the sentences if you want to see, Farid buys sweet. Farid क्या buy कर रहा है? Sweet. He gives me a sweet every day. Means यहाँ पे instead of Farid they have used the pronoun he. So here he is a pronoun, but he कैसे आया? तो sweet is a verb into the sentence. So linking verb is a sweet, so he is a pronoun used for Farid. So Farid buys a sweet, he gives me a sweet every day. So he is the subject pronoun in this sentence. Second sentence is Ramya is a good girl. She helps her grandmother. Now here they have said Ramya is a good girl. Ramya जो है वो अच्छी लड़की है और she helps her grandmother. वो अपनी grandmother को help करती है. So यहाँ पे the pronoun word for Ramya is she. So she is a subject pronoun for Ramya. The leopard is sitting on a tree. Here they have talked about the leopard animal. Okay. So what we use instead of animal into the pronoun is it. So it is a pronoun for leopard. Is sleeping. Sleeping is verb in this sentence. So before the verb they have used the subject pronoun. So do you understand? Before the subject, what the word, before the verb, the word which is used in a subject pronoun for a pronoun is our subject pronoun. Now let's see about the object pronoun. Now let's learn about the second type of pronoun is object pronoun. What was in the subject pronoun? That the word if comes before the verb, pronoun comes after the verb. If the pronoun comes before the verb, that was the subject pronoun. It is very opposite into the object pronoun is object pronouns come after the verb or linking verb. Means the object pronoun is coming after the verb और लिंकिंग वर्ब. मतलब कि जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन का वर्ड होगा वो वर्ब के पीछे होगा या लिंकिंग वर्ड जो है वर्ब का उसके बाद में होगा. लेट्स सी विद एग्जांपल्स आर माय फैमिली लव्स मी. हियर द लव इज आवर वर्ब. सो मी इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ओके. I like her very much. Here like is our verb. So her is our object pronoun. Okay. Then we swim every morning. We enjoy it. Now here morning is not the verb. यहाँ पे the word swim is verb for us. So here the linking words are given every morning. So verb is with every morning. So here we enjoy. We enjoy means they are enjoying. What they are enjoying? To swim. So it is here our object pronoun. Now fourth is I call him daily. Means call. वो उसे बुला रहा है. So call is verb and him is object pronoun in the sentence. Fifth sentence is he helps you in class. Help is verb. You. You means here again they have talked for one person. So he helps him, but the third person is saying. So you is object pronoun with the helping verb helps. Ask them to join the club. So here ask is our verb and them is our object pronoun. Now no one knows us. Knows is the word which is used as a verb and us is object pronoun. So here do you understand, like the object verb is or object pronoun is used after the verb into the sentences. And what was there in the subject pronoun? It was using before the verb or linking word into the sentences. Now there are a few types also. Let it clarify. Now here we will learn how the singular subject को हम object में कैसे कौन से word होते हैं and object pronoun के singular में कैसे word होते हैं. So let's see first. Singular subject to object pronoun. Suppose the word is I. तो I का क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Me. I means me. Then he का him. Similarly, she ka her. Then it, as I have told you, if we are using the word eat for the things or animals, so eat ka, it will be it only. Okay. Then same you, it will be you only. So these are the words with singular subject to object pronoun. सिंगुलर जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसको ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आई का मी हो जाता है, ही हिम हो जाता है, शी हर हो जाता है, इट इट होता है, एंड यू का बिकम्स यू ओनली. नाउ विल सी द प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. ये सिंगुलर का जैसे हमने देखा, सिमिलरली विल सी अबाउट द प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. Plural subject pronoun to object pronouns. The words are you. So you will be you only in plural form also. Object में you का you ही रहेगा. Then if they have said about we, so we means us because there are the two person. So we. So in the plural form we are saying we are using yes. Then if the word is they, so in the plural form of they we are using them. So here you have learned about the plural subject to object also. You must be you, we must be us, and they must be them. And singular also I have taught you. So thank you and have a nice day for observing the video.